Most people live their entire lives inside a pattern they never designed. Wake up, commute, work, pay bills, scroll social media, sleep, repeat. They trade hours for money, then trade that money for liabilities that fade in value. That loop never ends because no one taught them a different game. They live reactive, not proactive. Wealthy people play a slower, quieter, and bigger game. It is not secret. It is just boring, so most people ignore it. Cash flow, compounding, and automation form the backbone of that game. Put them together, and money becomes a self-healing, self-growing organism. In 2025, barriers are gone. AI tools, online marketplaces, global payment rails, and fractional investing remove every excuse you can think of. Market volatility, noise, and clickbait headlines make ordinary people freeze. Meanwhile, disciplined builders buy assets, publish digital products, and automate pipelines. The new middle class is digital, leveraged and automated creators, coders, curators, builders, and educators. This video is a blueprint. It shows you how to do the same in a realistic way. No hype, no get-rich-tonight promise. Real work, real leverage. Part 1, what passive income really means. Passive does not equal zero work. It equals front-loaded work that eventually detaches from your calendar. Own a thing that pays you, hold a system that sells for you, press go on code that never sleeps. Examples include dividend stocks, ebooks, royalty, music, AI voice, content, vending routes, small storage units, affiliate websites, YouTube channels, apps, print-on-demand shops, and licensing deals. True passive income looks boring to outsiders, but feels powerful from the inside. It gives you options, control, peace, and freedom. But before that, it gives you rejection, silence, doubt, and delayed results. If you accept that you win, the goal is freedom of time, freedom of location, and eventually freedom of identity. Part 2, 3 reliable passive paths. For 2025, Path 1, digital products. Write a niche guide, design Notion templates, craft a mid-journey prompt pack, shoot stock footage, sell beat loops, cost almost zero, scales to the moon, and teaches you copy, design, and audience psychology. Post on Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify, Ko-fi, or your own domain. Capture email list, reroute buyers to upsells. Some creators sell $100 Gumroad templates. Some teens sell coloring books on Amazon KDP. Some moms sell Notion meal planners. Passive income starts small, but it grows with feedback. Action step. Brainstorm 3 pain points you solved in real life. Turn each into a micro product. Draft in Google Docs, design in Canva or Figma, publish this weekend. Price between $7 and $27.
Path 2, dividend stocks and REITs boring companies send you money every quarter so you can buy more shares that send you more money. Choose blue chip consumer staples, utilities, pipelines, telecom, build a drip plan, and never pause it. Compounding then morphs from math into magic. $50 becomes $52, then $55, then $60, then $80. Curve shifts upward like a skateboard ramp. Index funds like Voodoo or Spide, and REITs like OO or Vici are starter bricks. Reinvest every payment. Automate via M1 Finance or Fidelity. Long-term wealth is boring. It is not lottery tickets. It is silent growth, slow returns, and never touching the principal. That is the game. Action step, open a brokerage account. Enable automatic deposit. Choose one broad index, one reliable REIT. Begin with $10 a week. Raise contribution after every raise at work. Path 3, content automation using ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, Midjourney, CapCut. You can mass produce quality shorts and long-form videos. Script, generate, Polish voice, generate visuals, cut, schedule, and post while you sleep. One video can seed 50 shorts. One short can seed viral loops
that feed the long video, which feeds the channel, membership, and course funnel. Volume wins. Faceless content works too. Niche explainer videos, AI-generated documentaries, daily motivational shorts. Use templates, repurpose, scripts, optimize, titles hook fast, deliver value. Action step: select one evergreen topic, record 8 short scripts using ChatGPT, feed to ElevenLabs, assemble in CapCut, upload daily for 30 days, add link to one cornerstone long video. Part 3. Mindset shifts. Think in decades, not weeks. Build systems. Feelings follow results, not the other way around. Test small, adjust fast. Compound learnings, not just money. Celebrate first dollar online, more than first 1,000 offline, because it breaks the wall in your mind. Protect your mindset like you protect your passwords. Read books, not feeds. Spend time with builders, not doubters. Track your actions, not your emotions. Success leaves patterns. Your only job is to repeat them with discipline. You will be ignored, mocked, misunderstood, until you are copied. Be too consistent to be ignored. Part 4. Start broke, start busy. If you have zero capital, trade creativity and sweat. Use open source AI tools, design simple ebooks, record voice with phone mic, list on platforms with free tiers. If you have a 9-to-5, allocate one focused hour nightly, protect it like rent money. Set a timer, block distractions. If you have kids, involve them. Turn the journey into a game. Show them the dashboard when the first sale hits. They will cheer. And accountability skyrockets. The best builders today are not born rich. They are resourceful, persistent, obsessed with progress, and allergic to excuses. Part 5. Scale with AI and leverage. AI is a multiplier, not a miracle. Feed it, clear prompts, refine outputs, integrate into your workflow, then let it run while you sleep. Use Zapier to pipe Gumroad sales into Notion, then into a compounding growth train, a simple chatbot to answer customer questions while you create new assets. Productize everything you learn. Turn process into templates. Turn templates into products. Turn products into systems. Systems make money without you. Record once, sell forever. Code once, deploy everywhere. Launch once, build ecosystem. Part 6. Avoid common traps. Trap 1. Shiny object syndrome. Jumping from crypto meme to dropship craze. Resets compounding clock to 0. Trap 2. Analysis paralysis. Perfect beats posted every time. Publish progress, relentlessly iterate in public. Trap 3. Lifestyle creep. Salary doubles, expenses triple. Freeze lifestyle for 2 years. Redirect surplus into assets. Watch snowball explode. Every dollar saved is freedom. Purchased every asset built is time reclaimed. Every system launched is future secured. Do not compare your Chapter 2 to someone else's highlight reel. Zoom in on your next step. Execute with blinders on. Part 7. Real case study. Compressed Anna started with $99 used vending machine route, netted $45 monthly. Reinvested for 11 months. Bought third machine. Scaled route to 15 units. Now cashflow covers mortgage and kids' tuition. Ben published a 10-page Notion template pack on Gumroad. Sold 16 copies first week. Reinvested in Facebook ads. Scaled to 10,000 lifetime sales. Now bundle funnels into course. Earns 5 figures annually with 2 hours monthly maintenance. Lucy, dollar cost average into Dividend aristocrats. 5 years. Snowball, hit tipping point. Quarterly payouts equal car payment. Now reinvests everything, aims for coast fire by 35. John built a faceless YouTube channel and productivity niche. Script with AI, voice with ElevenLabs, edit in CapCut. Published daily videos past 100,000 subscribers. Earns 6 figures per year, now teaches others. Your story can be next if you stop scrolling and start building. Every skill you need is on YouTube. Every tool is free or freemium. Every excuse is outdated. Part 8. Build your personal action plan. Number 1, choose one of the 3 paths: digital product, dividend investing, or content automation. Number 2, set a micro goal. Launch in 7 days, regardless of fear. Number 3, automate reinvestment or production loop. Use calendar reminders, Zapier, or brokerage auto draft. Number 4, review metrics monthly. Watch compounding curve, bend upward. Number 5, reinvest your time, earnings, and learnings into the next version of the system. Number 6, teach what you learn. Content teaches, content scales, content monetizes. Final thoughts. Passive income is not magic. It is math plus patience multiplied by technology. Whether you are broke or busy, you can build a tiny cash waterfall today that turns into a river tomorrow. Most people listening will not agree and change nothing. Be the exception. Take one line from this video, implement it tonight, return next week. Tell me your first result. Subscribe for deeper dives and let us keep turning noise into net worth together.